guys, Himanshu here back with another video, and yes, the title says the truth. I have bought this Redmi 6 Pro for 6,566 rupees. Here's how. So this wouldn't be my personal phone, this is for my relative, and he has got a Redmi 3S with him, and with the Amazon Great India Festival I was getting an exchange value of 3700 rupees on Redmi 3S and extra discount of 729 rupees from SBI card. So with all the discounts I got this beautiful phone for only 6500 rupees. Second thing, why I bought this phone over any other phone in this budget? Well, the first thing is the display. It is a full HD panel and that vertical camera design, so it looks like a 2018 phone. So that was the first reason. Second reason, it's battery life. So I was very impressed by the battery life of this Redmi 4 and Redmi 3S. So I'm getting the same battery in this phone. That's a plus point. Third point is that it is not that big. I mean, here is my Redmi 4 and here is the Redmi 6 Pro. There is not much difference, a slight height and nothing else. It perfectly fits in my small hand. So that's the third reason. And the fourth reason is the camera. For under 10,000 rupees it has got a decent camera and all that portrait goodies. So yeah, those were the reasons why I bought it and how I get it for 6,566 rupees. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like if you like the video, hit subscribe if you haven't, and follow me on Instagram Himanshu_CreatorShed for latest updates and behind the scenes of the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.